For the first figure, we only have one square. Second figure, we have one square here, and then the 2 extra there, so we'll have 3. For the third figure, we have the original 3 and 3 more squares on the side. Okay, so that'll be 6 then. So now we want to predict what it is for the 50th figure. So if you see here, there's actually a pattern. Okay, for the first term, it's just going to be 1, right? There's nothing, it's just our starting point here. For the second term, we can say this is 1, right, plus the 2 additional squares we added, so 1 plus 2. So then for our term number 3, it's going to be 6, right? But that's the same thing as 1 plus the 2 from the previous figure, plus the additional 3 squares here. So it's 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, so I can predict that for the 50th term, the term value is just going to equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus all the way up until 50, right? We add up all the way until the term number, right? So the term number 50 will have this as our term value.